sugar. That just fell right behind me, Jerry. Jerry! We were just there, Jerry. It just fell behind me, right behind me, Jerry. Oh my God. Did you hear it crack? Holy magoo, Jerry. Holy bum bum. You missed it, Jerry. I missed it. My God, I was so lucky. That was right behind me. Just as I was filming the slow motion. I better go tell the guy. Okay, so I come back early the next day, back to Mount Wilson, but I think I saw something up here. This is further down from the gardens. There's another garden here as well, I'll go to that. And there's some nice cottages here. This time I put on my 14 to 150. I thought a bit of a change, more of a reach. Not that I need it, but you never know. You never know your luck in the city. You might get a bird here or there in the country. Jerry, look, teacher's cottage. Oh, we could have stayed here. I don't think they allow dogs though. That's the problem with traveling with Jerry. The world wasn't made for dogs. Let's take a photo here, Jerry. What do you think? Yes, good girl. Even though you've got a zoom, Jerry, you still got to let your feet do the compositioning. Okay, so what I did, I quickly went to a 3 shot bracket. So a 3 shot bracket with 2 stops either side. And what I did, I metered for the tree there. And that kind of blew out the sky though when you go +2. So I metered for the sky and that kind of evened it out. So hopefully if you see that you metered for the sky, but it's really dark at the front. But then when you do bracket, the bottom shot, the -2 shot, Jerry, oh, you cheeky bum. Jerry! What was I saying? We'll even it out when I blend it all together. I need coffee. Jerry, where's the coffee? Huh? Why didn't you have my coffee ready for me when I woke up? There's some, oh yeah, here we go. Welcome to the trees. Welcome to the avenue of, I think they call this the avenue of trees. Welcome back to the channel. Me and Jerry went on a little holiday up to the Blue Mountains near Mount Wilson. It's called Mount Wilson and there's all lush autumn leaves on the streets, and there's 2 gardens I went to, the Breenhold and the Bilpin gardens. These videos are going to be spread out over 2 days. This was the one where I went on the streets on the second day, because as you saw on the first day I was a little bit shaken but not stirred. Yes, I know the branch wasn't that big, but it freaked me and Jerry out. So the next day I got my better shots on the actual streets themselves, and this is the video for that. Sorry about the oversaturation, but that's just how I roll. I swear I don't try to oversaturate, but the colors were just so nice I had to accentuate them. Take a shot there. Had it on bracket, dumbass. Jerry, am I a dumbass? Alright, let's can you see it, Jerry? You got to put your photographer's eye now on, your thinking cap. I think right there, or right there. What's on this side? What's on this side, Jerry? Let's try the old classic camera to the ground. A little bit cliche, but hell, it's the first time I'm doing it. So technically, if it's the first time you've done something, it's not really cliche, is it? Just because everyone else did it doesn't mean I can't bloody do it. Hey, Jerry. What light be on the window? Great. Tis the autumn colours of our disposition. Jerry, do you know much about Shakespeare? What about an overhanging? Hey, Jerry, you want the overhanging? That's always a good shot. Bloody focus. Alright. Oh yeah, Jerry, that's a good one. Triple whammy. Over here, Jerry, look, there's a nice red tree. And I always said, always look behind you. Yes, there's another good shot coming back. But this tree looks good. Jerry, you go play. Be careful of the cars. Jerry, be careful of the cars, mummy. Jerry crossing the road. Hey, Jerry, you're cold. I should have put your jumper. You want your jumper? I'll go get your jumper. Jerry, look at this rock here. You see the rocks? Yes, Jerry. What can we do, Jerry? What can we do here? You see the rocks? You want to do a tippy tail down the line. I walk the line, Jerry. I walk the line. Because I shot a man in Reno just to watch him. Alright, Jerry, we're going to do here, there, all the way down there. You stay here, you be careful. Here we go, further up. Look here, Jerry. Do you see? You see something here, Jerry? I find that it's much easier to compose with an electronic viewfinder, and you can just see what the hell you're looking at, especially if you got funny eyes, you need glasses or whatever. That's like when I take my Sony ZV-1 out, I don't like it because one, I'm blind, I can't, I need glasses to look at the screen, and two, you can't compose properly. You can't get those little fine things. You might see things sticking out the edge. Check out this tree, Jerry. Yes, it's a beauty. I like the layers. Hey, I know, Jerry, you don't like it. Jerry, what do you think? Hey, what do you think, Jerry? It's very cold. My hands are freezing. I can't imagine the people in Iceland. I don't know how they can function. I think they get those little gloves with the holes in the top. Jerry, where the hell are we going? Are you making stuff up as you go now, Jerry? Look, Jerry, moss grows fat on a rolling stone. Wait. Let's do this. Jerry, roadblock. Oh, Jerry, you don't go through it. Oh, you do go through it. Cheeky girl. Gonna get the dapple light, Jerry. Maybe not. You're too busy sniffing. Oh wow, look at that, Jerry. Holy underwear. Look at that gnarly tree. That's gnarly, that tree. Oh yeah. What if you go in the middle, Jerry? Jerry, wait. Jerry, look. Jerry, chicken. Jerry, look, chicken. Yeah, you want to go? Hey, Jerry, Joya. You're a funny one. Oh wow. Jerry, you're not allowed in there. That's for rich people. That's the manor born. To the manor born, Jerry. The two big poles and the two big trees. It'd be nice to have some autumn redness in there. I like a good... Jerry, do you like a good road sign? You like a good road sign, Jerry? Yeah, I like the bendy road and the overarching. I like that red, that yellow sign. The light's hitting it. Let's get a bit closer and see what we can do. No cars, Jerry. How good is this? I don't know why I do starbursts, because even I find them a bit tacky. I think a wide angle with the blackness of the branch and the starburst, line it all up and bingo. One hot tip: if your starburst, well, Jerry, if your starburst is too starbursty, too big, drop down the aperture down to like f14 instead of f22. I mean, that's probably the dumbest advice. Don't do starburst in the first place. Anyway, I never claimed to be a great photographer. It's just me and Jerry. Did you have a good day yesterday and we're having a good day today, Jerry? Yes, that's the whole point of it, is to have a fun day. And if I get a few, oh, they say bangers, Jerry, bangers. That's what all the kids are saying these days, bangers. Bangers, that's something rude, isn't it? Bang the drum. Jerry, Wifcom and there's rich people, Jerry, here. All rich people own land. Lots of it. If you own land and a big farm, you can put nice trees and the money grows on the trees. I think I really do need coffee. This is where the avenue of trees is. This is what Australia post boxes look like now. They used to be different. I like the red. Jerry likes it too. I like the light there, how it's coming through there and there. You can frame it up. So what I did there, I just included that person there, just to make it more interesting. Otherwise it's just a bloody tree. But with the right framing and the backlit on her hair, I got a good shot, I think. Anyway, I don't know, it hasn't turned out yet. I haven't developed it yet. The old digital. I need to go home and develop it on Luminar Neo. Affiliate links in the description. Jerry, Small things amuse small minds. Jerry, look, a Turkish bath from the 1800s. Electric fence. Holy underwear. I've never seen an electric fence before. Careful, Jerry, electric fence. It is electric, holy shit. Mount Wilson's really nice. The only thing I got to complain about, there's nothing open. I want a coffee. There's no shops. Is this all of there is to Mount Wilson? One street. I want a coffee, and there is none. Because there's no bloody shops. And the little, Jerry, are you listening? Oi! And the little, what's the matter? Anyway, angry Rob. That's what happens when you don't have coffee. You get angry Rob. Jerry. This way. Here's my photography online. I watch their YouTube channel. They're from Scotland. Good channel that. They're Scottish from the Isle of Skye. They know what they're talking about. Jerry, look at all the leaves. It's the Church of St. George. If you look closely, you can see the dragon slain there. You see there? St. George. Jerry, don't run off. You can be careful, snakes. Well, isn't that St. George? And that was St. Patrick with the snakes. St. George with the dragon. Well, they reckon the dragons and snakes, weren't they like part of the whole myth? That's what they thought. Maybe not. Or dragons were dinosaurs. They saw the bones of the dinosaurs in the Dark Ages and thought they were dragons slain. The Japanese maple and that red car just waiting for me to take a photo. Good one, Jerry. You always take me to the good spots. Matching colours is always a good little trick. Matching pleasing colours, the opposite end of the blue and yellow, and apparently that's why blue and orange, that teal, that cinematic look, that's why they reckon that looks good, because for some reason opposite end of the colour spectrums, the colour wheel, whatever, is pleasing to the eye. Jerry, what do you want to do now? You want to go for a nunna? You're already sleeping. You sleepy head. I might sneak another ice photo while she's sleeping. Hey, you. No, Jerry, that's enough. This is for me. I didn't have lunch. Too late. I had it all.